Someday everything ends. Can we begin finding out before we're too late? Lost in between the truth and the dream. I never been more ready to move on. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this song by Yellowcard that was requested. This is The Sound of You and Me. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I couldn't remember for a second. Okay, so this song is pretty easy to play. I'm going to show you like an acoustic way to play it. Still include all the chords and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm playing it a little bit slower, I think, but you know, if you guys want to play an electric guitar, play an electric guitar like this, but just play it faster. Okay, so I'm going to show you the chords, where you play them, how you play them, and with the lyrics and stuff. All right, so I'm going to show you the intro, the first verse, the chorus, and the bridge. So let's get into it. Your guitars are going to be in standard tuning, and you don't need a capo on it. All right, please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Okay, so here are the chords you need. You're going to start with C. Okay, so C, you put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. And then I'm muting the big E string, you can see, but you don't have to. Okay, so that's C. You're also going to do F. Okay, this is how you should play the F. All right, so you're going to bar the 1st fret here. Sorry, my fridge made a weird sound. You're going to bar the 1st fret here from the E string, the big E string all the way across. All right, and you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, if that's too hard, you can do this other like modified F. So what we'll call it's basically the same as C, except for so what you're going to do is you're going to put your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the B string, okay, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the D string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret, okay, on the G string. Because you can also do that one too. That one's easier for people. A little bit of a crutch, but still, if it works for you. All right, so now we're going to do A minor is next. So you're going to keep your pointer finger goes on that 1st fret on the B string. Then you're going to put your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, and then I tend to mute the big E string with my thumb. So that's how it looks. Okay. So that's G. You're also going to, sorry, that's A minor. You're also going to do G. All right, pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string. Your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then your middle finger, get my fingers mixed up. Your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, so that's G. You're also going to do B flat. The way you're supposed to do this, put your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the A string and bar all the way down. And then you're supposed to put your middle finger, all right, it's supposed to go on the 3rd fret on the D string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the G string, and your pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. So you should be doing like that, okay? Now, just to rip off, easier way to play that for you guys is to basically play it like a power chord. Still try to bar on the 1st fret, but you don't need to use your middle finger. This is just an easier way for you guys to play it, okay? So you'll basically not use your middle finger, and you'll put you're on the, with this finger, your pointer finger, you're on the 1st fret on the A string all the way across, and then you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, and your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the G string. It sounds a little bit different, but it works, and it's easier for you guys that have a hard time with some of these chords, okay? You're also going to do D minor. So for D minor, okay, you're going to start like D. So you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the little E string, okay? All right, so just like that. And then the last one you can do, it's called like F over A, I think. So basically, you know that F one I was telling you to do, where like this, the rip off one, just leave your pointer finger off that. So you put the ring finger 3rd fret on the D string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, and again I'm muting this. I don't know that you need to though. Okay, so you're only going to use that one in the bridge, but I'll show you in a minute. So let's get into this. So for the intro, the way the song starts is it's just a C, and just let it ring out, and then you're going to do F, down, down, up. A minor, C, A minor, C, F. And so you're going to repeat that. You're going to do F, A minor, C, A minor, C 4 times. Okay, so you'll do that 4 times. If you're just playing by yourself acoustically, you could probably do it twice. I mean, if you don't, unless you really want to play it like they are. All right, so and the strumming pattern for that is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now, for the verse, you can do the same thing. All right. And this one, you're playing it pretty fast, all right? But if you want to play it softer and slower, I think it sounds awesome acoustically. So you're going to start with F. Okay, so you're going to do F is, are you there? So you're going to do F on R. Are you there? Putting, okay, putting is A minor. Putting all the words together, paint. So then you go to F again. So you're doing F, A minor, F. Painting your new is G, new masterpiece. Ocean, okay, so when you do ocean air, ocean is F, ocean air. Carrying is A minor, carrying reminders of that perfect. So you're doing the same thing here, okay? Perfect is F, pair. We, then G is we used to be. Okay, so you're doing F, A minor, F, G. F, A minor, F, G, okay? That's the first verse. Now you know the first verse. Okay, so then for the chorus, you're going to start with C, and you're going to do someday, same strumming pattern, okay? Someday, okay, so on everything, let's see how you can see my fingers there. So everything is F, everything ends, can, and then can is D minor, okay? That might be a little bit of a hard transition, but I know you can do it. Can we begin finding is F, so easy to remember. Finding out before we're two. Okay, so then you go back to C on that. So it's C, F, D minor, F. Then you go to C, okay? Too late, lost is F. Lost in between. The truth is D minor. Truth and the dream. I never, okay, never is where you do B flat. Never been more ready to move on. Okay, and then you're gonna play the intro part again, but you're only gonna do it twice. So after you're done with the chorus, you're gonna play F, A minor, C, twice with no lyrics. Then you do the second verse, same as the first one. The interlude after the second chorus is you're gonna do an F and just hold it for a while, okay? That's what they're doing on the album. So if you're trying to play it with the album, you're gonna hold it, okay? Then you're also next you're gonna do D minor. And you can probably, I think it's just down to the drums. So down, okay? B flat, C, F, C. So D minor, so it goes F is the long one you hold, D minor, B flat, C, F, C. Okay, that's the interlude part. Then when you start playing with the bridge, you're gonna do D minor is where you start on bring. Bring walls down. Okay, so bring is D minor. You do here's B flat, hear all my sound. Okay, and then on let you do F over A. So that's the one that's like the F ripoff, but you don't put your pointer finger down. Okay, let me back in. So in is F. So another way you could do that is just let me back in. And put your pointer finger down on in if you want to do it an easy way. In love. And that's an easy transition to go from that F ripoff to C. Love me again. So on love you'll do C. Then you do here is B flat. Hear all my sound. All right, here is B flat. Then you do F. Let. F is on let me back in. And you're gonna do C right here on love me again. Okay, so then for the rest of it, you do the same thing. You do D minor, B flat, F, C, with no lyrics twice, and then you play it one more time, the outro, D minor, B flat, F, and then you end it on a C. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. Request more songs. I love learning them for you. All right, thanks guys, bye.